back in Thunder Valley Subdivision. Tovar Construction was the first to sell out in Phase 3. And now we are in Phase 4. If you missed your opportunity to live in a Tovar Construction home, now is your chance.
Tovar homes are known for their high-end finishes, their built-in shelving, and their open floor plans.
Additionally, this home features a 3-car garage, front yard landscaping, vinyl fencing, and RV parking.
With 2x6 framing, extra insulation, and passive radon mitigation.
These are just some of the features that make Tovar homes stand out from the rest.
We are the GSD broker team powered by Bray.